Hello and welcome to Waqar Teaches video 7. Today we're going to look at the question 7 of the end of year sample exam. So let's have a look at the question. Okay, so here we can see the question. It says, from the graph below, what is the cost of 2 cookies? So this is the key information we need to look at to answer a question like this. Now, how do we answer this question? The first thing you have to see is that the x-axis is the number of cookies and the y-axis is the cost. Okay, now because the question is asking for 2 cookies, what we will do is go to where it says 2 cookies on the number of cookies. So we go to 1, 2. So here is 2 cookies, and from here we will go up and we will see that the line of the graph crosses the point here. Now, how do you find out what the cost is at this point? You'll make a line that goes from this point to where it says cost. And as you can see over here, the cost is 0.5 dirhams. 0.5 dirhams. So it's just a matter of reading the graph. And you can see the cost is equal to 0.5 AED. This is answer choice A. Now, if I was to ask you what is the cost of 6 cookies, what you would do is you will go across the bottom to where it says 6, then you will go up to where it meets the line. After you go to this point, you will go across to the cost, and you will see it's 1.5 dirhams. 1.5 Emirati dirhams. If I asked you what is the cost of 8 cookies here, 8 cookies, it's the same thing that you will do. You will go across on the graph to 8. From here you will go up to where the dot is, and then you will go across to where the answer is, and the answer is 2 AED. Okay, so that's how you read a graph and find information based on the graph. Okay, let's have a look at another example question now. Okay, so have a look at this question. It says, what is the speed of the car after 10 seconds? What is the speed of the car after 10 seconds? Here we have the graph. You can see we have kilometers per hour, which is the speed, y, x, and the time. So pause the video now and tell me what is the time after 10 seconds, after 6 seconds, after 4 seconds. Tell me what the speed of the car is after all these times. Okay, pause the video now and tell me what you think. Okay, so after 10 seconds, you go up, you'll see it here, and you go across the 50. After 6 seconds, you go up here, you go across the 30. And after 4 seconds, you go up here and go across the 20. So the speed is just a matter of reading the graph to get the information. If you have any questions about this video or any comments, please leave a message and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you.